This video I will explain how UPI AutoPay works on Google Pay. UPI AutoPay is a feature that allows money to be automatically deducted from your bank account for regular payments. These regular payments are called subscriptions or recurring payments. This means you do not need to remember the dates or make the payment manually every month. Now we will see what is UPI AutoPay. UPI AutoPay is a system where you give permission to your bank to automatically debit a fixed amount whenever the payment date comes. This permission is called mandate. A mandate is a simple rule that says, take this amount from my account on this date. Now we will see where UPI AutoPay is used. You can use UPI AutoPay for OTT subscriptions like movie apps or music apps, mobile recharges, internet bills, insurance premiums, loan repayments, gym memberships. Anything that needs to be paid regularly can use AutoPay. Now we will see how UPI AutoPay works step by step. Step 1 is you have to choose AutoPay when making a payment. When you pay for something on Google Pay, some services show an option called AutoPay or Setup AutoPay. This is where you start. Step 2 is approve the mandate. Google Pay will show the amount, frequency like daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, start date, end date, or no end date. You must give your approval using your UPI PIN. This UPI PIN confirms that you agree to the automatic deductions. Step 3 is automatic payment happens on the due date. Once the mandate is active, your bank will automatically deduct the specified amount on the chosen date. You do not need to open the app or do anything manually. You will get the notification before the payment happens, so you always know what is going on. Step 4 is payment status is updated. Google Pay will show whether the auto payment is successful, pending, or failed. Failed can happen if the account has low balance. You can check this anytime in the payment history section. Now we will see safety features in UPI AutoPay. UPI AutoPay is designed with strong safety rules. Payments above certain limit require your UPI PIN each time. You can pause, stop, or modify the AutoPay mandate anytime. You get alerts before every payment and after every payment. No merchant can change the amount without your permission. AutoPay works only with your explicit approval. Now we will see how to manage AutoPay in Google Pay. You can check all your active AutoPay mandates by going to your profile picture at the top right, then select the AutoPay or mandate section. Here you can pause mandate, cancel a mandate, change amount or frequency if it is allowed. You can see past AutoPay transactions. Now we will see why UPI AutoPay is useful. You never miss important payments. It saves time. You avoid late fees. Everything is controlled and visible inside the Google Pay. You can stop it anytime if you change your mind. I have opened the Google Pay and here you can see the profile. Click on that and here you can see AutoPay. Click on that and here you can see the AutoPay payments details. This one is live. Here you can see the pending and here you can see the completed. Click on netflix.com, which is the AutoPay I have set up. And here you can see the AutoPay details. AutoPay limit, frequency, start date, end date, and debit on. And here you can see the past transactions.